Hello students, let us continue the session on understanding quadrilaterals and practical geometry from NCERT Exemplar. Had given 3 of the questions as homework, question 48, 49 and question 50. Let's discuss question number 48. PQRS is a trapezium in which PQ parallel to SR and angle P equal to 130 degree, angle Q is equal to 110 degree, then angle R is equal to. Since they have given it's a trapezium in which PQ is parallel to SR, let me draw a rough figure. Suppose this is a trapezium. For this trapezium, the side PQ is parallel to SR and angle P is given as 130 degree, angle Q is given as 110 degree. They are asked to find the angle R. We know that since one pair of sides is parallel, PQ parallel to SR, we have angle Q plus angle R equal to 180 degree. The reason is they become co-interior angles. So angle R will be equal to 180 degree minus angle Q, which is 110, we get it as 70 degree. So the right answer is option A, 70 degrees. Question 49. The number of sides of a regular polygon whose each interior angle is 135 is. So they have given interior angle, we have to find the number of sides. We know that, let me wipe this off. We all know that interior angle plus the exterior angle, they make linear pair. So we can find exterior angle. So let me write it here. Interior angle plus exterior angle is 180 degree. Since they have given the interior angle, we can find exterior angle equal to 180 degree minus 135, which is 45 degree. So the number of sides is given by 360 divided by each exterior angle. On dividing, we get the number of sides is 8. The right answer is option C, 8. Question number 50. If the diagonal of the quadrilateral bisect each other, means bisect both the angles, then it is. If a diagonal of a quadrilateral bisects both the angles, then it is. Suppose if I consider a rhombus, you should know this property. The diagonal will bisect these angles. This you are going to study in class 9. You are going to prove this. Now, just remember, whenever the diagonals are considered in a rhombus, it bisects with the angles, opposite angles. If I name this rhombus as PQRS, PR is a diagonal which bisects angle P and angle R. QS is a diagonal which bisects angle Q and angle S. So you just remember this property you are going to study in class 9th. We're going to prove that. So the right answer is option C, rhombus. Question number 51. To construct a unique parallelogram, the minimum number of measurements required is. The right answer is three. For a parallelogram, we require minimum 3. Reason is, in a parallelogram, opposite sides are equal and parallel. Also, opposite angles are equal. So to construct a parallelogram uniquely, we require two non-parallel sides, that is adjacent sides, and the measure of one angle. So what is required is adjacent sides. Means there will be two adjacent sides, one of the angle. When one of the angle is known, we can find all the angles. So totally 3 measurements are enough to construct a parallelogram. Question 52. To construct a unique rectangle, the minimum number of measurement required is. Since in a rectangle, each of the angle measure 90 degree, so it's enough if you are having only 2 measurements, that is adjacent sides are enough. So only 2 measurements are enough to complete a rectangle. So if the adjacent side is say 3 and 4 centimeter, it's enough to construct, because we can make 190 degree here and cut an arc with radius 3 centimeter and then join this. So 2 of the measurements are enough. Now are the questions which are related to fill in the blanks. Question number 53 to question number 91 is fill in the blank type. In quadrilateral HOPE, the pair of opposite sides are. For that, a rough figure of quadrilateral. See, this is the quadrilateral HOPE. Here, which are the opposite sides? HO is opposite to EP. HO, EP, these are opposite. And HE, PO, these are opposite. So 2 pairs of opposite sides are written here. In quadrilateral ROPE, the pair of adjacent angles are. If I consider the quadrilateral ROPE, angle R and angle O, they are adjacent to each other. O and P are adjacent, P and E are adjacent, E and R are adjacent. So there will be 4 pairs of adjacent angles. Angle R, angle O is one pair. Angle O, angle P is another pair. Angle E, angle P is the third pair. And the fourth pair is angle E, angle R. Question 55. In quadrilateral WXYZ, the pair of opposite angles are. W will be opposite to Y, X will be opposite to Z. So angle W, angle Y, and angle Z, angle X. Question 56. The diagonals of a quadrilateral DEFG are. So we require to mention the name of the quadrilateral as DEFG. DF is one of the diagonal, EG is the other diagonal. So we can write it directly like this. So DF is one of the diagonal, EG is the other. Question 57. The sum of all dash of quadrilateral is 360 degree. The right answer is angles. Sum of all the angles in quadrilateral is 360 degrees. Question 58. The measure of each exterior angle of a regular pentagon is. We can find the interior angle. The interior angle is given by n minus 2 times of 180 degree upon n. This is interior angle. Since in a regular pentagon there will be 5 sides, 5 minus 2 is 3 times 180 divided by 5. So 5 3s are 15, 5 6 are 30. So 3 times of 36 is 108. So exterior angle will be 180 degree minus interior angle. So 180 degree minus 108, which is 72 degrees. So the right answer is 72 degrees. Question 59. Sum of the angles of a hexagon is. When sum of the angles are asked, we can directly use n minus 2 times 180 degree. So 6 sides for a hexagon, so 4 times of 180, 6 minus 2 is 4. So when 4 is multiplied to 18, we get 72. So 720 degree is sum of all the angles. Question 60. The measure of each exterior angle of a regular polygon of 18 sides is. We can use this formula to find out the interior angle, then we can use exterior angle. So here n value should be taken as 18. When n value is 18, this becomes 16 times 180 divided by 18. So 10 times we get 160 degree. So the exterior angle will be 20 degrees. So 20 degrees. Question number 61. Number of sides of a regular polygon where each exterior angle has a measure of 36 degree is. So whenever exterior angle is known, we can find the number of sides as 360 divided by each exterior angle. So 360 degree divided by 36, this will be 10. So the type of polygon we get is a decagon. Question 62, they have given a figure is a closed curve entirely made up of line segments. The other name for this shape is. You count the number of sides here: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 faces or 6 sides. When 6 sides are there, it has to be a hexagon. Here, when you observe, if you join this, we get diagonals outside. We can say this is a concave pentagon. Sorry, concave hexagon. Question 63. A quadrilateral that is not a parallelogram but has exactly 2 opposite angles of equal measures is. They have given quadrilateral is not a parallelogram but has exactly 2 opposite angles of equal measure. Quadrilateral will be a kite. The reason is these 2 pairs are equal. These 2 angles will be equal. So 2 pairs of opposite angles are equal. So in kite, this property you must remember. Question 64. The measure of each angle of a regular pentagon is. For a regular pentagon, there will be 5 sides. So 5 minus 2 into 180 degree upon 5. This is 3 times of 36, which is 108 degree. So 108 degree is the measure of each angle in a regular pentagon. Question 65. The name of three-sided regular polygon is equilateral triangle. Question number 66. The number of diagonals in a hexagon is. We know the formula n minus 3 divided by 2. Into n. So n into n minus 3 divided by 2 is a formula. For a hexagon there will be 6 sides, so 6 into 6 minus 3 divided by 2. This will become 9. So the number of diagonals will be 9. Question 67. A polygon is a simple closed curve made up of only line segments. A regular polygon is a polygon whose all sides are equal and all angles are also equal. Question 69. The sum of interior angles of a polygon of n sides is dash right angles. For interior angles, we know the formula n minus 2 times of 180 degree. So this will be 2 times of n minus 2 into 90 degree. So 2 times of n minus 2 is the right answer. The sum of all exterior angles of polygon is always 360 degree, irrespective of the number of sides. Next question. 71. Dash is a regular quadrilateral. Square is a regular quadrilateral. Because there will be 4 sides which are of equal length and 4 angles which are of equal measure. Question 72. A quadrilateral in which a pair of opposite sides is parallel is a parallelogram. Question 73. If all sides of a quadrilateral are equal, it is a square or a rhombus. Question 74. In a rhombus, diagonals intersect at right angles. Question 75. Dash measurements can determine a quadrilateral uniquely. 5 measurements can determine a quadrilateral uniquely. We have seen this in the construction chapter. Question 76. A quadrilateral can be constructed uniquely if 3 sides and 2 interior angles are given. Question 77. A rhombus is a parallelogram in which dash sides are equal. Here it is adjacent. Adjacent sides will be equal in rhombus. Question 78. The measure of dash angle of a concave quadrilateral is more than 180 degree. One of the angle must be more than 180 degree. It will become a reflex angle in concave quadrilateral. Say if I draw this concave quadrilateral, one of this angle is having the measure No, not this. Reverse. This angle is having the measure which is more than 180 degrees. Question 79. A diagonal of a quadrilateral is a line segment that joins two vertices of the quadrilateral. Diagonal will join two non-consecutive vertices. If I draw a quadrilateral, these two are non-adjacent or non-consecutive. These two are non-consecutive. So by joining these non-consecutive vertices, we get diagonal. Question 80. The number of sides in a regular polygon having measure of exterior angle as 72 degree is. It has to be a regular pentagon, because we have seen the formula and we have solved for a regular pentagon. Each exterior angle will be 72 degree. I'll end this session here. Remaining questions, question 81 to 91 of fill in the blank type, we'll solve it in next session, followed by few questions which are true or false type. Thank you.